Hi, my name is Gibson Kramer. I'm an application engineer for Promess Incorporated. Today, I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough over the EMAP system in the UltraPRO platform. A complete system from Promess incorporates all the devices necessary to monitor the force and position within your assembly or testing process. Manufacturers use this information to determine if the quality of their process meets or exceeds expectations. We'll be going over the UltraPRO Controller, the Digital Signal Conditioner, and the Safety Drive Enclosure, as well as how these devices fit together to form the complete UltraPRO system. We'll start with the UltraPRO Controller. The UltraPRO Controller is the brains of the operation. The force data from the load cell and the positional data from the motor are fed back to the controller via an EtherCAT connection. The UltraPRO Controller uses this information to decipher and determine how the press will operate. As well as an EtherCAT connection, the UltraPRO Controller also has a field bus port to connect directly to your PLC and an Ethernet port that connects to the HMI. Next up is the Digital Signal Conditioner, or DSC. Before the force data can be fed to that controller, that signal first needs to be conditioned by the Digital Signal Conditioner. That force data originates as an analog signal and is then converted into digital data to be interpreted by the controller. The DSC also has other input capabilities, which include sensor inputs, encoder inputs, and I/O inputs. There are a multitude of ways that you can utilize this DSC. The most common are to incorporate additional external load cells that feed into the sensor inputs, or using digital probes that feed into the encoder inputs. Both of these options give you greater precision over your process. Next up is the Safety Drive Enclosure, or SDE for short. The SDE is a plug-and-play system that houses the safety and power controls. This makes the SDE simple to install. All you need to do is supply power and you're up and running. The SDE is the conduit for the positional data, which originates from the multi-turn absolute encoder. That positional data is fed from the SDE to the UltraPRO Controller via an EtherCAT connection. The HMI capabilities are endless when running Promess's UltraPRO software. Not only can you operate the press from the software, but you can also develop precise processes to ensure that your part is as accurate as possible to the given specifications. Once your programs are set and you're ready to start production, those programs will be fed back through the drive in the SDE to the EMAP, which completes the closed-loop system. If you have any questions about the EMAP system or the UltraPRO platform, please give us a call at 810-229-9334, or you can find us online at promessinc.com. Thank you.